Yes, we have visited a farmer at Embugashoka, that is Rianguo farm. My name's Al Mwareri Paul, and as you can see, these are quality birds, quality chicks. We are going to be disposing them at 14 weeks. From 14 weeks you can come for them, and we usually deliver on order. These are fully vaccinated. You can see everything is automated here, and we are very happy because by the end of the day we are advising farmers to do poultry, large-scale poultry production. For those people who might need my assistance, you can contact me 0759531301, and we are able to distribute them each and every time you are in need. So for this reason, we would advise you to choose us as your poultry farming partner, whereby we are going to be guiding you. We are going to deliver to you 1-day-old chicks, quality chicks. Asanteni sana. Asanteni sana. We are going to be offering very good quality chicks from Zetu Chick. So wale wakulima ambao wanatabua Zetu Chick, piga onda huku kwetu upate kuku mzuri na kuku ambayo haitachoma bet. Asante sana.